Welcome back to Triple X Learning. Today we have this question: y equal to x square plus 1 divided by x plus 2, where y should be integer. So how we can find this question? So before going to solve this question, I would like to manipulate it. Here we have x square plus 1, that is dividing by x plus 2. So I need to find the values for x so that we can get the integer value for y. How we can do it? So here you are seeing that, okay, we have x square plus 1 and there is division sign, and that division sign is followed by x plus 2. So x square plus 1 is going to divide by x plus 2. So here you can see that x square term is there. So how we can make this x square that to divide with x plus 2? How? So we can do it by using x square and minus 4. So obviously you can see that x square minus 4 is having x minus 2 into x plus 2 as a product, and this one. So to maintain this one, I need to put here 5, so that 5 and minus 4 could give us result 1 as here, and that one going to divide by x plus 2. So in this way we can say. And now it's time to separate x square minus 4 and divided by x plus 2 here, and plus 5 divided by x plus 2 here. So y equal to, we have this value x square minus 4. Now it's time to break down this x square minus 4. So we have x minus 2, because a square minus b square will give us a minus b into a plus b. So x minus 2 and x plus 2 is there, and that is going to x plus 2 divided by, and this is 5 and divided by x plus 2. So we can cancel this one, and we have this value here. Y is equal to, this is y equal to, so we have y equal to x minus 2, and this is going to divide by 1, plus we have 5 divided by x plus 2. So this can be written as in this way: x minus 2 plus 5 divided by x plus 2. So here we have to get the value for y, that should be integer. So to make it integer, this x plus 2 is going to divide 5 totally. How we can divide this value? X plus 2 should be 1, either it should be 1 or 5. This value should be 5. In the same way, it should be negative 1 and negative 5. So we are going to do that. Here we have suppose x plus, we have here x plus 2 is equal to 1. I am going to put here, that is giving us x is equal to 1 minus 2. It is coming x equal to minus 1 over here, and then we have x plus 2 is equal to 5. It is going to give us x is equal to 5 minus 2. So we have x equal to 3 over here. So x equal to, we have 3, and x equal to, we have minus 1. In the same way we can calculate in this way: x plus 2 should be, suppose, negative 1. So this value give us negative 1 and negative 2. So it is giving x equal to minus 3, and we have, for this value, we have x is equal to, suppose, x plus 2, that is equal to negative 5. So x plus 2 is equal to minus 5. So x is equal to minus 5 minus 2, it is giving us minus 7. So basically we have a set of values for x that is going to give us integer value for y. Those are, x is element of this is we can say that we have minus 7 minus negative 7, negative 3, and we have negative 1, and we have 3 as our solution. So x should be element of minus 7, minus 3, minus 1 and 3. So either of these value will satisfy this our question, this one. So thank you so much for watching my videos. For latest upcoming, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.